Past, September 11th, 2001. The sky split open and fell. The towers collapsed, but the world stood still.
Present. Today, the ground remembers. Empty space holds every name. Silence becomes a monument.
Future. Someday our towers will rise again, not of steel, but of light, life, and memory.